Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Ideation. It's good to have you back again. If the wireless adapter for your computer is not working, mean that you cannot hotspot your machine. But I have a plan B for you. You can actually share your phone's internet connection with your computer using your USB cord. So to do that, I'll jump right into it. So to do that, you have to connect your phone to your machine using your USB cord. So when you are done, you go to your phone, then go to settings, then go to hotspot and tethering. So you turn the USB tethering on. Okay, so when you are done, you get a notification on your machine to select your type of connection. Okay, so I'll click on the entire connection icon over there. You can see there is an internet connection. So if you are connecting for the first time, to give you an option to allow the connection. So when you select yes, then it will connect automatically. So now it's connected. So you head right to our browser. You can type anything you want to type. For instance, let's search for what. Let's see. Jesus died my soul to save. My lips shall still repeat. Okay, so you can see that our internet connection is now working. So that's how it's done. Very simple and smart. And I hope you find this video very helpful. And if you do, I will appreciate much if you like, subscribe and share with your friends. And feel free to leave your comments and suggestions below. So I see you again. Stay blessed.